Gain Skills Business Media, presenting partner Azentio, Platinum partner Unifor, Gold partner Ibix Global Services, Silver partner Ace Phone, Conversational AI partner Convin, AI partner Glib, and media partner Bharat CXO. I am delighted to welcome you all to the third BFSI Confexin Awards 2025. We are thrilled to have so many distinguished leaders, innovators, and professionals from banking, financial, and insurance sector gather under one roof today. This event brings together the best minds to explore the latest advancement in financial technology, risk management, and digital transformation and sustainable finance, all while celebrating the trailblazers driving change in BFSI industry. Throughout the day, we will dive into thought-provoking discussions, share valuable insights, and honor those who have made significant contributions to the evolution of this sector. Thank you to our sponsors, partners, and all the attendees for making this event possible. It's my pleasure to introduce and welcome our chief guest for today, Mr. Balaji Rajagopalan, CTO, State Bank of India. Without a further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Balaji on board. An IT veteran with global experience in banking and financial services. He is a distinguished thought leader with strong techno-functional expertise. Currently, the CTO of State Bank of India, he has led IT initiatives across leading organizations, including serve as Group Technology Head at ICICI Bank, where he managed banking technology across geographies and spearheaded intelligent automation. His expertise spans enterprise architecture, technology transformation, BFSI, intelligent automation, risk management, and IT strategy. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Balaji Rajagopalan?
Morning. Good morning, everyone. I sent you the organizer, my industry colleagues, friends. It's a privilege having some kind of participation with kind of industry colleagues coming out from the regular work, and it's always an honor. Thanks for the organizers. So such kind of events are extremely important for us to learn from each other, share from the industry as such. So while we are talking about the BFSI as such, I just want to start with a note that what we were from 90s to 2020, in the 2020s as of. All of you know that the expectations from the country has changed. India as such, if you look at the expectations as such, there's a paradigm shift. The country like India, which is evolving, aspiring to become the development center, developed countries as such, part of that, right? In the last decade, we have moved from we were in the top 5 fragile countries, and we have moved to top 5 economies. What a paradigm shift, right? A country in 90s, if you look at in NDTV, US will think about 90s of India, what the image of India and what it is now. What a huge achievement. And I think it's extremely important. We have to live with the capabilities. We have a strong growth, resilience, technology footprint, globally respected, right? In terms of diverse products offerings, fintechs, capability of the banking industry. We have proved the largest financial transactions in the country, which is unimaginable in any part of the world, right? Having said that, if you look at the banks as such, we have, in terms of top banks globally by market cap, in 90s, none of the Indian banks were than that, in the top 50. We were, in 2010, we were in the top 50. SBI, HDFC, ICICI. In 2020-22, we are part of top 20. I think it's a big round of applause for the country. As a nation, large diversified country, we have huge opportunities, growth. While every country talks about recession, survival, India is one of the very rare country which every country looks upon. Developed countries look on India as a collaboration partner. You talk about IT, finance, agri, healthcare, you talk about every industry. And in every industry, we do have a huge opportunity. And needless to say that banking industry is a prime for every industry for financial flow. Banking has changed. Banking means earlier it was only a branch. Then it was only internet banking and ATMs. Now banking has become part of our day-to-day life. Have you even imagined? Banking has become part of day-to-day life, right? So if you look at what we talk about literacy rate in 90s, 47% literacy rate in 90s. Female have bypassed men. Very happy to see the note that female literacy rate is 77%. Wonderful. A big round of applause. More women empowerment, right to equality, right to whatever you call, right? With the Aadhaar, with the identifier, the DPI, with the Aadhaar, every citizen, irrespective of status, has a dignity to own an identity. With a SIM card, somebody is empowered to do a banking. If you go to a branch in early 2000, identity becomes a challenge. Getting an account becomes a challenge. If you want to get a loan, somebody will say, give me your income proof. In the pandemic, we have demonstrated the entire globe that we are a cashless journey country, right? So that has happened because of certain initiatives by the government. I think thanks to the government in various initiatives, bringing in the development of the economy, growth, bringing in a strong digital public infrastructure, a strong payment gateway, secured payment gateway, bringing in a strong data layer, uniqueness of customers. In US, you used to have SSN, but we have a fantastic Aadhaar. With that Aadhaar, we were able to get the account instant. How many people can go and visit a branch and fill up an account, prepare a customer data? Somebody who is sitting in the platform in the pandemic, who has no idea about what is banking, with a simple QR code, is performing banking. He gets credit to his account. With the credits, he is empowered to get a loan. Imagine in the 90s, 2000s, will that person able to get a loan? Government has introduced a lot of Jan Dhan schemes for the underprivileged. For a survival of every human, you need deposits for liquidation. You need insurance for meeting your exigencies. Accident insurance, personal insurance, whatever you call. You need stock market, mutual funds for maximization of your profits. Everything is available in the country. Seamless. Expectations of the customers have changed. I want instant, at the convenience of what I want. Travel industry, from paper-based ticketing, all of us would have seen, to mobile-based to DigiYatra. Loan disbursement, from months to days to minutes to seconds. Instant approval, instant credit card, instant debit card, instant product services. Activation, instant activation. Of course, there are a lot of due diligence which banks have to do, but the expectations have changed. What you think India as a country that I will be always only in a branch, you need digital. And over a period of time, we have got a lot of fintech engagements, a lot of startups, mid-sized companies. I think it's extremely important for us to think about the future. While we have reached and we have to celebrate the success of the banking and financial institutions with the ecosystem of entire economy as such, it's important that what are the challenges, and I feel that challenges are always opportunities for us for this particular forum and the nation. In terms of efficiency, right? In terms of productivity, are we efficient? The cost is higher than income. The cost of acquisition. For a banker, low cost acquisition of products is extremely important. Whether it's a startup or a financial institution, you talk about any industry, onboarding has to be efficient, frictionless, seamless. You have huge opportunity for customer services. Are our systems nimble, surviving for the future? Yeah. So when it comes to the expectations, any financial institution, my IT colleagues, my IT partners, based on my experience, I would say, what do we need to do to handle the future? resilience, topmost priority, starting from data center, infrastructure, network, applications, deployment architecture. Is there a scope of single point of failure? Banking has become ruthless in terms of expectations. While I was talking about all the expectations, if there's a delay of flight for 1 or 2 hours, it has become a norms. But if there is a 5 minutes, 10 minutes dip, somebody can post in the Twitter, this bank is down. Ruthless, right? One payment mode, one particular option for a particular customer was impacted. So it's good to see that expectations have changed. If you look at on the lighter side, there's no patience for test match. IPL has become the norms. Nobody has patience to have whole day. Same is the kind of expectations in every industry. You talk about supply chain, you talk about marketing, you talk about e-commerce, you talk about healthcare. Every industry for that matter. Huge. Expectations have changed. Expectations are of the new age customer is know me, know about me. Who am I? What status, what background, what products and services, what I want, what is a convenience which I want to do, what platforms what to do, in what mode I want to do. Show me, demonstrate that you know me. When I walk into the branch or I log into any of the digital channels, you should know about me and say that I have so many holdings, all products which I told you. But systems are siloed. Systems have evolved over a period of time. There are different core systems in the system bank. Assist me, yeah, and value me. These are the new age expectations. Banking, again, 64% in the country. It was 37% or something in the 90s. 64% of the population is doing banking. Imagine our senior citizens currently who are not equipped for digital, another 5 years, 10 years, will be more tech savvy. If you go to rural, the social public site media exposure is extremely high. I was attending one of the conclave. Surprisingly, I was told that in one of the village called Tulsi village in Raipur, 40% of the population contributes for short video messages in YouTube. Can you imagine 40% of the population contributes? I'm just igniting your mind saying that, are you thinking about the next generation mindset, expectation of the population? What you feel that is a rural is not, don't underestimate that rural. People are doing investments on mutual funds. People are investing in stock markets in the Tier 3 cities. There are brokers, there are agents. They are not banks, right? And there is also one of the data point, the NBFCs, banks and NBFCs percentage is coming down. Not that banks are coming down, but the population of investment, financial institutions is away from the banks and NBFCs. There are a lot of agents. So in short, I would say resilience is extremely important from a strategy of any organization of financial institutions. Agility, right? Agile, right from onboarding of infrastructure, application development, DevSecOps. It's a theory in PPT, but reality expectation is build right, secure the components, and a lot of open sources, all of you mostly will be using. I'm sure a lot of IT companies, partners are there. Are you ensuring that the open sources what you are putting in, are they secured and taken a single truth of version? Do you have a control on the open sources? Yeah? And do you do automation? Build right for the first time. Building innovative products and services. While there are a lot of success stories, how much innovative? Every bank has products of assets and liabilities, but how many are innovative? Value creation. Which somebody is doing it in 5 minutes, I'm able to do it in 1 minute. Differentiated products and services. Standardization of products and systems and tools. Security. With increase in digital adoption, cybersecurity has become the major challenge. Extremely crucial that right from L1 to L7 different layers, WAF, internet, DDoS, cyber is huge. That's again a huge topic. Are you handling the cybersecurity? Extremely crucial. Awareness, extremely important. When it comes to operational efficiency, digitize so that customers can operate products and services across various convenience of the channels. Decongest the branches. Branches should not have waiting queue. Are they equipped to handle cross-sell, upsell, better engagement with the customers? That again, minds keeps reminding about the data, the power of data with respect to internal data and external data. How are we leveraging on the data? With that, are you providing a contextual-based customer service? Cognitive capabilities, automation. Everybody talks about Gen AI. Gen AI is more of a branding which has ignited the minds. But these all are there. If I need to improve the overall efficiency, as I upload a customer document, is my document being scrutinized? Low resolution document, stop it. I am uploading Aadhaar instead of a PAN card, stop it. Am I extracting that information, defaulting it? Do you have a customer MDM to understand what is the internal, external information? 360-degree of customer interactions, portfolio, risk. If I have all 360, I can serve better. So the power of data is extremely critical. Move away from product-centric to customer-centric. What does it mean? What the customer is, don't force saying that I'm selling this product. What is your preference? What is that you want? Maximization of the cross-sell, upsell. So moving from product-centric to customer-centric. So with more of a time check, I would only say there's a lot of huge opportunities for fintech, startups, IT companies, collaboration. Make sure that there's a value creation which is being created, efficiency, process reengineering, process simplification, instant gratification, instant rules, instant services, extremely crucial, time to market. Not automate in the same way things are there. So building a strong ecosystem on financial institution with collaboration, readiness of fintechs, focus on deployment architecture. Any IT companies, I would say, focus on deployment architecture, focus on scale, security, time to market, performance and scale for future volume. Ability to integrate the ecosystem of the bank and the integration with the third party, any systems, and be resilient. So as a ending note, I would say, as a country, we have aspiration of Vikshit Bharat. By 2047, we should become part of developed country. I think some $30 trillion as a GDP, some numbers are there. I think banking and financial institutions, IT companies, collaborations, extremely crucial because every industry you talk about, there is a need for banking institution, financial institution, where there's a money flow. Are we building this future in terms of ecosystems, a safe public cloud? In fact, Maharashtra leads by 60% of the public cloud in the country, data centers. Data centers, Maharashtra has 60% of the population. 60% of data centers in the country is from Maharashtra. And there's a lot of expansion happening across various cities. So it is extremely important that we focus on the future and plan towards our financial institution, become a developed country, not by 2047, maybe we are qualified to do even better. Powered by SBI, the banker for every Indian, the banker new for New Age India. Thank you very much.
And I would like to call Mr. Roy Shemendra from Tata AIA Life Insurance to come on board and felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Balaji Rajagopalan, and a token of appreciation from Ace Phone. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Balaji Rajagopalan?